Five, six, seven, eight.
This dance is called Can't Take My Eyes Off of You, choreographed by Raymond Solomon. It's 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, walk forward, right, left, shuffle, right, left, rock, back, recover, shuffle, back, left, right, left. Section 2, point your right toe back, turn a quarter to your right, weight is on your right, left, point your left to the side, together. Monterey quarter turn right, point, turn a quarter right, side point, together. Section 3, right, rock, recover, coaster, step, left, rock, recover, coaster, step. Last section, jazz box with a quarter turn to the right, cross, turn a quarter to the right, side, together. Then you're going to step your right to the side, sway your hips, right, left. That's the whole dance. Let me go over the dance with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance there is a 4-count tag. It happens twice. It happens at the end of wall 5 facing 9 o'clock and at the end of wall 10 facing 6 o'clock. Let me show you the tag facing 6 o'clock. You raise up your arms and you sway, wave them to the right and the left. Right, left, with counts 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is the whole dance.